to another bitch on bullshit, so she crashed and she want to fight everybody, do all this. She get to hollering to my sister and her peoples, doing all this weird shit. So she tried to fight my sister. My sister pregnant. I'm standing in between them. No, this not that. Motherfucker jumped in the car, threw that bitch in reverse, slammed into her shit, threw it in drive, peeled off up the street and smacked this pole. She over here.
So this is his car?
No, that's my baby mom's car. She over here.
So where's his car?
Ooh.
So who crashed his car?
My baby mom.
Okay.
Your baby mom gets mad because she finds out you're messing around with somebody else.
Exactly.
She jumps in this car.
Jumped in. She was arguing with my sister. That's my sister in the black.
Okay.
She's pregnant. That's her peoples. They was sitting there.
Okay.
We was about to smoke. I'm damn near about to get ready to go to work at 11.
She reverses out and hits.
She jumped in the car, reversed, floored it.
Okay.
Smacked her shit. I'm talking like moved it.
Which car?
That's in the blue. That's her
The
car.
one on the road?
Yeah.
She hits the one on the road and then peels up here and hits the telephone pole.
Yeah.
All right.
Right here, we get the first major legal pivot. The crash itself. According to multiple statements, the baby mother allegedly reversed aggressively, struck another vehicle, then sped forward and crashed again. Legally, that matters a lot. This isn't just a fender bender. Intent, control of the vehicle, and awareness all factor into whether this becomes reckless operation, assault with a vehicle, or something more severe. And remember, police are listening for consistency. When multiple witnesses independently describe the same sequence, that strengthens probable cause fast.
Dear! Tell her come here.
Officer!
Dear, come here. Do you need EMS? Dear! Dear, you're gonna be under arrest if you go inside. Come here.
Okay, but don't manhandle her, okay?
I'm not. I just need her to come here.
He got to go to jail. Look on your computer. It's a protection.
Wait, I'm just trying to.
Okay, come on with it.
I'm sorry.
Stop.
I need help.
Just sit down.
I cannot breathe.
Just sit down.
I can't
I'm gonna
even
call
talk
for
to you.
EMS.
I'm gonna see it.
What's the street right?
This is Rosh Avenue. Not my address, but it's Rosh Avenue. Because the car is the vehicle is around the corner right there. She needs some help. We got you some cold water, honey.
Can I get some? You real? Nobody gave me nothing. I didn't want to.
Because she said she got mace. So maybe that's why she.
Can I get some? Can I get some?
Drink it first. Drink some.
What is going on?
We don't know.
I don't know.
She come from the.
Don't pour it on yourself. Don't pour it on yourself.
I think she might have got mace or something.
I got a tank top for you, okay?
But
I
she
know you
might
hot.
need to see.
This a rag. Just come here for a second. I want her to change her shirt because she keep pulling it up in front of the kids.
She did. She hit that tree hard as fuck.
I'm about to change your shirt, but you gotta calm down. You gotta calm down.
She might need to see a paramedic.
We have one coming.
My head.
What happened?
Come here.
This moment shifts the tone completely. Officers pause enforcement to assess medical distress, and that's critical. Claims of "I can't breathe," possible pepper spray exposure, and a visible head injury introduce medical liability and duty of care. Police must balance custody with safety, which is why EMS is called before any transport. From a legal standpoint, this also documents injuries early, something defense attorneys and prosecutors both rely on later. Question for you. Do you think this distress was panic, injury, or both?
I don't know. We were right here. No, she just come around the corner.
Do you guys know who she is?
No.
I only hit a tree because I couldn't see when they came.
Come here. I don't want you to take your shirt off in front of the
I didn't do nothing.
Come here. Just come here for a second. Just for a second.
She was driving.
Were you
Let's call she need help. She don't know her either. She lives right there. Don't none of us know her.
Stay right here. I just want to change your shirt, all right?
But you can see her forehead, right? She probably needs some type of help because she probably hit her forehead hard as she smacked the shit out of the damn tree around there. That was her driving that. And all we heard was a big boom. And when we went around the corner, you know, she was in the grass, coming out the grass from over there.
Did she say anything?
I can't breathe.
No, she just was saying she can't breathe or nothing. We don't know who the hell she is.
Dear, put on your shirt.
It burned my face.
Yeah, but I think
Dear, put on your shirt, please. There's kids outside. Please put on your clothes.
I'm sorry. Don't move, okay? My grandkids is out here, honey.
Put some clothes on, or you're gonna go in the cruiser.
Put a shirt on. My grandkids is out here.
Now.
Yeah, she's probably out of it a little bit though. I mean, you can really tell she is. That's sad.
Did she say anything else, or she just kept
No,
walking
she
up
just
here?
was like she can't breathe. We was just trying to help her.
Did y'all see the car around there?
Yeah, but that was her driving.
That's
We don't know where she
just
come
was
from.
standing right
The only
there.
reason why I bumped into anybody because like they maced me. I couldn't
Put your
see.
clothes on, you're gonna go in the cruiser.
Okay, well she trying to tell you about who Mason.
I know, but I need her to put clothes on, then we'll get there.
Yeah, get your
Hold on, wait, no, wait,
Come on, you're not helping
It's
me. My
tangled.
face is burning.
I know, but your shirt is tangled and there's kids outside. They gonna put you in a police car. They can't get the shirt on you.
don't
Right?
need to see your private parts.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
All right, dear, walk this way, please.
So they can see what's going on with you, honey. Go ahead. So they can see what's wrong with you.
Thank you.
She needs to go down.
I got a protection order on this.
Stop right here.
All right, dear.
Right here.
I'm burning.
Okay, she talk about, oh yeah, get out the car, laughing. I'm about to go walk into the porch.
12.
Come to the fucking car. This get to squaring up with me. What? She swing on me. I mace her. What?
She's
I'm
pregnant.
pregnant. This bitch swing on me. Is you fucking dumb? I mace her. She jump into the driver's seat, reverse the car back. Hurry up, swing up there and go up there. No.
Let's start over. Let's start over. How does everyone over here to begin with?
This is my dad's house.
Okay. Let's get out of the road. How did this start today?
Listen, this is my dad's house.
Okay.
I came to come see my dad. I came to see my dad. I came, parked right there, came to see my dad.
She was drinking too.
Can I conduct my investigation, please?
Isaiah, go talk to him.
I don't
There's
need you
only
going
two
through that
cops
car,
here.
okay? Because now I can't use that as evidence for anything. Okay, so stay out of that car. It's not yours.
Anyways, this is my dad's house. I come say hi to my dad, say what's up to my dad. I walk out, this talking shit mad because everybody laughing, whoop-de-doop. She's already mad about some situation.
How'd she
got
end up over here?
I don't know. I got here after.
She just showed up?
I don't know. I got here
Do
after.
you know?
We got here after. Me and her
Both
came
of you.
together.
Okay.
Yes, me and her was in that car. We both got here together. She was already here arguing with my brother. I go in, I say what's up to my dad. I come back out, this bitch mad. Oh, y'all laughing, da-da-da-da-da, what's up, what's up? No, so I go back to the car, I sit down. Then I'm about to go back into the car. She arguing with my brother. I walk up to the car, to square up on me, swing on me. I mace her, bitch, I'm pregnant as f***, I'm not about to fight you. Boom. I mace her, punch her. She jumped into the driver's side. She reversed back. She put her shit in drive and drove crazy, smashed into the tree.
Now we're deep in investigation mode. Officers start separating stories, clarifying who was driving, who swung first, and where everyone was positioned. This matters because self-defense claims hinge on sequence and proximity. Notice how the officer keeps resetting the narrative. Let's start over. That's not impatience. That's methodical fact-checking. When stories shift or loop, credibility gets tested. Here's the big question. Do you hear consistency here, or escalation after the fact?
Okay.
As she reversed, and she ran her over. She was outside of
I
the
have
car.
an ambulance coming to check you out. Does anything hurt?
I mean, my arm,
Your arm hurts? Your jaw hurts? Okay.
but she had no reason to reverse her car into mine. It was nobody's but mine. I didn't have no reason to be mad at nobody. Didn't nobody do shit to her. She mad arguing about another bitch.
What's your name? What's your name, dear?
All right, so the bitch I've been f***ing with, she basically been trying to f***ing blackmail me about f***ing with her towards my baby mom. You know what I'm saying? Be like, oh, do this, or I'm telling whatever. I get tired of that shit. Tell her, do what you do. I block her. She get to sending her shit. It is what it is. You feel me? It is what it is. So she get mad. At first, she wasn't mad at me. She just mad at this other bitch want to go fight her, do all this other shit.
Are these girls over here?
That's no.
Those are your family?
No, yeah. So the one in the black,
Janaya?
that's Janaya. That's my ex girl.
Okay.
The one in the
I know her. I went to high school with her.
Oh yeah. So you look familiar, bro. You look like me, bro. But she wasn't mad at me at first. Well, it was kind of like she on and off. She tweaking. Like I said, she drunk. It's a bottle over there, so her mind ain't right. We come here.
We're gonna run her down there now.
AGMC?
Huh?
AGMC?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just meet her down.
So, me and her come here, me and my baby mom, they wasn't here yet. Me and her pull up. So I said, she want to go fight this. And I'm telling her, I'm like, bro, you already know this. She not going to fight you. She don't want to fight you. She going to play chicken chase with you all around Akron until we ain't got no more gas in this. And then when I got to drop you off, and it's time for me to
Whose car is this?
This one? This is hers.
First,
Baby
okay.
mom. So, boom, they pull up behind me. She's just sitting in the car, you know what I'm saying, yelling. I'm trying to get out the car and fight them because I don't know if she got something going on in her head, but she think everybody's against her. She think everybody's laughing at her, got something to say. I don't know what to. So, you know what I'm saying, my sister, she ain't the one to be with, so she jumped out the car trying to get on bullshit. Baby mom, they on the same, so I'm standing in between them. I'm like, no, you pregnant. Y'all can't do this right now.
Yeah, no.
You're going to go to jail. You might try to lose the kid. You know what I'm saying? We're not doing this right now. So,
like, if, it could be attempted murder at that,
exactly.
at that point.
That's why I'm like,
it's not worth it.
It's not that.
So you guys are going to fight, wait till after everything.
Right, exactly. So my sister had her mace or whatever.
So your sister's pregnant though, right?
Yeah.
Then your sister maced her.
Maced her. She swung on her.
Okay.
We was in the car. I'm on the passenger side. My sister came over here. She swung on her. She sprayed her. Like.
Are you okay? Did you get hit at all?
Yeah. No, but they said they gonna.
No, she ain't hit me.
All right. Did your car? You got ran over and your car got hit?
Yes.
Is your car damaged? Is this where you were parked when she hit it?
No, I was parked right here.
And she backed out from right here?
No, she was parked right up there.
Oh, she backed into your car on the road.
Backed into it. That's why it's all the way back there now.
She pushed it that far?
Yes, and
Okay.
this was in her car and everything.
And it fell out?
Yes.
Okay. Is this your house?
This is my house right here.
How did she end up over here today?
I don't
She
know.
just showed up?
Yeah, I was in.
Did he invite her over?
I don't know. I couldn't even tell you nothing. I just came out.
So your sister was in the car with you?
No. My sister came up to the passenger, driver's side, and she swung on her through the window. So baby mom was in the car, driving, swung at her through the window. Sprayed her.
Okay.
So she can't see, and that explains how she wrecked her car. She can't see face burning, whatever. But it ain't got nothing to do with me. I tried to stop it, avoid it, whatever the it happened. After that shit, after she sprayed her, she jumped or started the car up because it wasn't on. Started the car up. I tried to reach in there and get the keys, but it happened too fast. She threw it in reverse, floored it, flew back into her shit. Boom, threw it in drive, floored it up the street, lost control. Then there, smacked that pole and then smacked the tree.
Okay.
Jumped out the car.
Is that other car damaged at all?
Yes, very.
Okay.
Well, in my opinion, yeah.
All right, just hang tight for a minute.
Was she, this other girl, was she in the car when you walked up? Where were you guys at when she swung on you?
By the car. Because her and my brother was arguing.
Was she in the car?
Yeah, she was in the car.
So she swung on you from like the doorway or out the window or what?
No, the door was open.
Okay.
Her and my brother sitting there arguing. I go to
They
grab
were
my
both
brother.
inside the car?
No, my brother was standing outside the door.
Okay.
She was in the passenger seat.
She was in the passenger seat.
Yeah, she wasn't in the driver's seat at first. She was in the passenger seat. They arguing. I go to grab her. I'm like, come on, bro. Like, feel me? Just come on. You about to come with us. This, what's up? Swing. I make
From the passenger seat?
Yeah, but I'm standing like right by the door type. So I'm standing right. I'm right by the door. The door is open.
Okay.
She swung. And I
So you go to
her.
grab your brother was standing outside the passenger door talking to her. The door was open.
Yes,
You went
they
to grab
arguing.
him. She swings on you. You pepper
Yes,
sprayed her.
because we already
She gets
got-
out of the car, gets in the driver's seat.
No, she didn't get out the car. She jumped in the driver's seat.
She
like
just
in
crawled
the car.
through across the center console?
And then put it in reverse. Came smack her car. Put it in drive.
How was she behind the car the whole time, or what happened with that?
Was who behind the car?
Her.
No, she was on the passenger side. Like her door was still open. She was just outside, standing outside on the passenger
Oh,
side.
she got hit by the passenger door.
Yeah, she was on the passenger side when she reversed, and then the door like went back and slammed on her type shit. She was standing on the passenger side. She wasn't in the car. She was outside of the car. And
Okay.
she reversed the car. Now after she reversed, she put it in drive and drove up there and crashed into that tree.
Okay.
This is where the legal stakes skyrocket. Once a pregnant woman is involved, especially with alleged threats or vehicle contact, charges can escalate dramatically. Aggravated menacing, assault, even enhanced penalties. All become possible if prosecutors believe there was knowledge of the pregnancy and reckless disregard. The officers are clearly zeroing in on that detail. Audience check. If someone knows a person is pregnant, should that automatically raise the severity of charges when violence occurs?
Can I press charges?
We're trying to figure out. We're trying to figure all that
On
out.
a pregnant woman?
We're gonna make some phone calls. Does she know you're pregnant?
Yeah, I'm pregnant.
I told her
Does she know? She knows
Yes,
you're
I'm
pregnant.
halfway. She knows me.
This is not
She
that.
literally knows me.
Okay.
Been
From the jump, like, yo, you can't. Either you gonna be up or you gonna be
And she swung and she got maced. So she gonna be up. I'm not gonna be up nowhere pregnant.
And
nowhere.
she said something about her baby in her stomach.
Yeah, that.
When was that?
Yeah, she said she gonna start my baby up.
Before
She swung. Yes, before she swung. I'm like, quit all that talk. She's talking about, I'll stop that baby out you. All right, come do it. What are you talking about? Shut up. Quit talking to me. What are you talking to me for?
All right. Are you guys willing to fill out witness statements?
If I can press charges.
Put pen to paper.
Yeah.
And willing to testify to
Yes.
the statement that you're making today?
Yes.
All right.
Are you guys able to come down there, clerks, and sign charges?
When?
Or do you guys not have transportation?
It depends on if it's part of work or not. I don't know
So-
if that sounding like.
Okay, with your guys' written statements, we should have enough just to sign charges, okay?
Stop.
So,
She gotta learn her lesson one day. This not even the first time this shit to happen. She wrecked her last whip doing the same shit.
Right down there.
you guys need to get a protection order or keep this girl away. It's not worth it at the end of the day.
I really just be around her so I can see my daughter every day.
But that's when you gotta take it to court, man. At the end of the day, go to the court, get 50-50 custody so you can see your daughter sometimes, but you can't be around this crazy shit because then you're never gonna get your life back on the right track because you're around this shit 24/7.
Right. She got a drinking problem, man. I will say that.
My partner explained to you guys what's going on.
Yeah.
So she's gonna get the ag menacing for swinging on you and threatening to cause serious harm to your baby, and then she's gonna get the assault for hitting her with the car.
42, did you get the
And then she's gonna get a couple traffic cites too.
Here's the breakdown moment, and it's huge. Police outline multiple charges. Aggravated menacing for threats, assault involving the vehicle, DUI, reckless operation, and driving under suspension. This isn't piling on, it's matching each action to a statute. One incident can legally produce several charges if different laws are violated simultaneously. This is why courtroom cases feel overwhelming. One night, one argument, but 5 potential convictions. Think about it, was this preventable at any point?
Driving under suspension, the reckless op, and
You said what, Menacing?
aggravated menacing.
No, listen. We're not gonna be loud in here. We're gonna have some respect. There's other patients here, so stop yelling.
I don't want to be here.
Well, once they get your paperwork, I will gladly take you to jail.
Like, my IV is already out.
I'm waiting for paperwork, so you need to calm down.
Call my mom right now.
Yes, because you're under arrest. You don't get privileges when you're under arrest. You don't get to make
call
calls.
her off your phone?
No, I'm not calling your mom off my phone. You can make a phone call once you go to jail.
Man, I can't even go. Like, that's corny. Y'all ain't put no charge on him. I cannot.
What would we charge him with?
Y'all didn't charge. Y'all ain't give him no PTO violation. Y'all ain't give him shit.
You're breaking the protection order yourself. Stop letting him over the...
putting him on the protection order. I might as well take him off the shit.
Then stop hanging out with him. That's on you.
I just told you.
End of the story.
At the end of it all, the woman is arrested and charged with aggravated menacing, assault, and DUI, serious offenses with long-term consequences. This case highlights how quickly personal conflict can escalate into criminal liability, especially when alcohol, vehicles, and prior protection orders are involved. The key takeaway? Emotions don't excuse actions in the eyes of the law. Accountability still applies. Backhand index pointing right if you found this case as shocking as we did. Hit that like button, drop your opinion in the comments, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.